What if I tell you that accessibility testing were as easy as chatting with your IDE? Introducing the all-new Accessibility MCP Server by LambdaTest, designed to analyze accessibility issues of both public websites and local apps. It also generates detailed report that you can share with your teams and provide suggested fixes to help you quickly address A11Y issues right in your development environment. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through how you can analyze, report, and fix accessibility issues while you are still in your development phase. Now to get started, first you need to install client extension in your VS Code. Now, what is client exactly? Client is basically a command line interface tool designed to simplify and empower and enhance developer workflows. We've also linked the step-by-step installation guide in the description below. You can check it out. Once connected, you can begin using client to interact with LambdaTest Accessibility MCP Server. Now let's get to the walkthrough straight away. Here, we've taken w3schools.com just for demonstration purposes. First, you type a simple prompt in client, find A11Y issues in W3 schools. It's basically a task you're giving in plain language. Client understands you want to run the Get Accessibility Report tool on w3schools.com. Then it asks if you want to proceed. Click on Approve and then client gets to work. Basically what it does, it opens the URL, runs the accessibility scan in the background and finishes the session. Then the full report opens on the LambdaTest dashboard, giving you a detailed overview of accessibility issues, all in just few minutes. Here you can see a summary of 137 accessibility issues detected on the page. The IDE's client interface also provides a clear report diagnosis highlighting key problems like color context, heading order, and landmark issues. Now you can dive into these details and start fixing them to make your site more accessible. So let's dive into the fix part now. For every new accessibility scan or different task, simply click on Start New Task in Client to begin fresh. Now, in order to fix, type a prompt like Build my app and fix A11Y issues. Client recognizes this and automatically runs the Build Local App for Analysis tool to build your local app and start fetching the accessibility data. You will have to click on Run command or Approve button whenever it asks to help approve the app build. Now this all process, building the app and fixing the accessibility issues, might take up to 2 to 3 minutes to complete the whole process. Once client finishes running the build local app for analysis tool, it automatically builds the app and applies the accessibility fixes directly to your codebase files. You just need to review the changes and click save to update your codebase. Client displays a clear summary of all the changes in the end it made, such as region and main landmark add-ons you can see in the ID itself. You can also click on See New Changes to review the full modifications made to your codebase. That's it with the initial walkthrough to get you started, but this is not just it. You can also test local app running via LambdaTest Tunnel and spot issues with Analyze App via Tunnel too, making accessibility testing more smarter and faster. And the best part is this all happens right inside your IDE. While accessibility testing is often very manual and fragmented, LambdaTest Accessibility MCP Server brings it all together very smoothly. Give it a try, make the most of it. Let us know your feedback. Thanks for watching.